My food processor is ready. Put everything in the food processor. So put our blender and then pause. Let's pause a bit. Still. So pause again. Pause. Just took the yam into pieces. You can stop this. So scrap. Right. And yam is already coming out. Continue. Okay. So let's check the texture. The yam is stretchy, but it's not smooth to the touch. So I still want to process it some more. Yam is doing. Mashallah, mashallah. See how stretchy my yam is? So my yam is ready. Wow. Let's call our taster to taste it. Why? Delicious as well. See that? Taste it. Let's see how stretchy the yam is.
Yummy.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and tell us what next you want us to create for you, and then let's me go and eat before you are taking the bowl of plate.